and emotional intelligence. A course is increasingly seen as essential in both personal and professional development. While technical skills and knowledge may get you hired, emotional intelligence is often what sustains success, builds strong relationships, and fosters effective leadership. Here's a breakdown of why an emotional intelligence course is necessary. Why emotional intelligence matters. 1. Enhances self-awareness. Understanding your own emotions helps you manage them more effectively. And a course teaches you to recognize emotional triggers, patterns, and how your mood influences your behavior. This awareness is the foundation of personal growth and better decision-making. 2. Improves communication skills. Emotionally intelligent people are better communicators. These courses train you to listen actively, speak with empathy, and pick up on nonverbal cues, skills that are essential for collaboration, conflict resolution, and leadership. 3. Boosts workplace performance. Studies show that people with high emotional intelligence perform better at work. They're better at managing stress, working under pressure, navigating office politics, and staying motivated. 4. Develops leadership abilities. Great leaders are not just smart, they're emotionally intelligent. A good course helps you learn how to inspire, motivate, and support others by understanding their emotional needs, handling conflict constructively, and managing diverse teams with empathy and fairness. 5. Strengthens relationships. Whether at work or in life, strong relationships are built on trust, empathy, and understanding, all key components of emotional intelligence. These courses teach how to build rapport, manage interpersonal dynamics, and respond rather than react in difficult conversations. 6. Supports mental health. Being emotionally intelligent means being more in tune with your emotional well-being. You're better equipped to deal with anxiety, frustration, and disappointment. Training helps develop resilience, mindfulness, and emotional regulation, key to long-term mental wellness. 7. A must-have for career advancement. In leadership and client-facing roles, emotional intelligence often outweighs technical prowess. Employers increasingly value soft skills like adaptability, collaboration, and empathy, areas that directly improves. Section: What you learn in an emotional intelligence course. Understanding the 5 key domains: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, social skills, real-life techniques. 2. Handle criticism positively. Manage emotional responses in high-stress situations. Resolve conflicts with diplomacy. Lead with emotional balance.